If you're new to buying and collecting digital collectibles or non-fungible tokens, NFTs, then this guide is for you. NFT are digital assets that are unique and can be traded or used in games and other applications. In this guide, we'll walk you through the basics of buying NFT, including how to find sellers, how to pay for them, and how to store them. What are digital collectibles? Digital collectibles are items that are unique and exist only in the digital world. They can be bought and sold just like physical collectibles and can be used as currency on online marketplaces. Some of the most popular digital collectibles are CryptoKitties. These are digital cats that can be bought and sold on the blockchain, and they can be used to represent ownership of other digital assets. CryptoKitties are popular because they are rare and unique. There are only a limited number of them available, and each one is different. This makes them a valuable commodity on the blockchain, and people are willing to pay high prices for them. How to buy digital collectibles. Digital collectibles are any kind of digital asset that can be collected and traded. This could include things like in-game items, cryptocurrencies, or even digital art. How can you buy digital collectibles? There are a few different ways to buy digital collectibles. The most common way is to use an online marketplace like eBay or Amazon. You can also use a dedicated digital collectible marketplace or even a cryptocurrency exchange. What are NFT? NFTs, non-fungible tokens, are digital collectibles that exist on a blockchain. They are unique and cannot be replicated. NFT can be used to represent anything from virtual assets to real-world assets. You can buy NFT on a number of different platforms, including EtherDelta, OpenSea, and Rarebits. Some of the most popular NFT include CryptoKitties and Decentraland. NFT are a growing trend in the world of digital collectibles. They offer a number of advantages over traditional collectibles, including security, portability, and liquidity. You can buy digital collectibles like NFT, and this guide will show you how. NFT are digital collectibles that don't have a physical form. They are bought and sold through digital marketplaces and can be used in various games and applications. NFT can represent anything from in-game items to real-world assets. To buy NFT, you first need to create a wallet to store them. This can be done through various online services. Once you have a wallet, you need to find a marketplace where you can buy NFT. There are many marketplaces, but not all accept every type of NFT. Once you've found a marketplace, you need to create an account and deposit funds into it. You can then start browsing for NFT.